All right, guys, we have this really bad truck behind me right here. This is a G63 4x4 squared. That is a brand new car. It has no miles on it. And our good buddy over in Vegas Auto Gallery, where they have craziest selection of inventory. I keep visiting them every 2-3 weeks to meet with clients and then bring cars over here and do the big builds with them. If you're looking for any crazy cars, Vegas Auto Gallery has them. They ship nationwide. Honestly, the most solid dealer guys out there. This car came to us bone stock from Vegas, and now it has a crazy Brabus WideStar kit on there. We went light on this. We didn't do the exhaust. We didn't do wheels. We didn't do a lot of the other little upgrades. We did the full WideStar, which is with the bumpers and the flares. And with the 4x4, you get carbon flares, which look really nice. And also you get the B in the front in the grille. You have the new carbon fiber hood piece right there. As you can see through it. That is new. Obviously before it was all closed, but now you get that air that goes through there. It gives a little bit of downforce to the hood, the front end of this monster. Though the biggest problem here was the interior. We tried to knock out that interior in less than 2 weeks, and we found out the hard way that the door panels, doing them the right way, is an insane amount of work. When you skin the door panels, it takes a lot more work. We're not doing an overlay, we're doing real leather, and we're skinning it completely. So it's been difficult. Right now the door panels are still not on there, but we have the seats, the headliner, the dashboard, the center console, all that is on there, and it's a Turchesi Rolls-Royce leather. The Alcantara on the top roof matches exact to it as well, which is very difficult to do, but really sick job right here. This is honestly a very nice 4x4 G-Wagon. I like it in white. We have a matte gold one to work on next. We're doing the same body on it, but that one's getting crazy wheels. So yeah, I hope you guys like this Brabus G63 4x4 squared. Also, one thing I want to show you guys is this. That right there says no messages. The car is on, and the car has no flaws. We changed out the whole interior. We took everything apart and put it back. We even did a Brabus kit on there, changed the bumpers, and you got no errors. I'm gonna show you guys now. Reversing, no errors. Driving, no errors. And that's the biggest flex of a job like this. When you're doing all this work, you want no check engine light, you don't want no blind spot sensors having issues, you don't want any of that. And that's really the beauty of this job. Hope you guys like it.
Back from vacation.
Vacation. From where?
Where'd you go?
So we are back in the paint area right here at RDB, and we are getting a full Mansory Phantom body kit ready. Here we have the bumpers, and they look crispy right now because we primered them. They did not come like this. So we sanded them all down, made them really smooth, made all those lines nice and straight, and then we primered them using this primer. Thank you, Luis. But yeah, this is smooth. This will get sanded, and then it goes to the paint booth to paint. Here's the rear bumper, as you can see. We also have a front bumper right over here. Something is very loud over there, and it's really pissing me off right now, but I can't do anything about it because we're filming. But yeah, and then Luis is working on the fender over there. Meanwhile, the painter, which was here a second ago, is working on the paint. So a lot going on to get this Mansory kit going for the Phantom. But stay tuned. This is a silver Phantom, so we're very excited that it's silver, not black, because they're always black, and it's gonna look good. So stay tuned. He's so lazy that he's using like 200 psi of air to try to dry the wheels. And it's making the whole shop annoyed. Thanks, man.
Fuck! Exactly. Yeah. There's your mic. Yeah. All right. We can drive it. Hallelujah, Lord. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Did you just align it?
Yeah. Can you push that camera inside? I can't see it. The mirror. Yeah, it's ready for a line.
It's what?
Be careful. Let me park it. All right, see ya.
No way.
Not bad. Very good. Yeah. Sí se puede. Ay. First, the new color. You see it? When you check the new color, it looks like different. But when you put the part on the car, it's match. This color is really hard. Plus, when it's when the color is like matte, you have to match the shine. Sometimes the matte colors, someone's is more flat. They use more flat than the other ones. So this one has a little shine. So he has to make little shine like this. If you see this like on the side, has a little shiny, like the body has a little bit shiny. It's not too much. But some colors is nothing. Very flat. Flat. Oh, he's dancing. So yeah, let it go like that. Está bueno. We have a big problem with this Lamborghini Urus. Okay, so this Urus is in here for a few issues. One, we have a water pump leak problem, leaking coolant. So that's one of the main problems on this car. Also, we have a broken axle on this car that's leaking grease as well. We're gonna go in and replace that too. All factory original parts. We got the parts in already. Yes, we do use factory Lamborghini parts, you guys. On a Urus, you have to. You should use factory parts on a Urus. We also have a pump here, ready to go. And let's see what this bad boy looks like. If you open it the right way, it'll be easy. Here we go. So we have this new puppy here. Okay, and we have the axle still coming. We should get the axle in soon as well. And we start repairs on this car. This car will be back to brand new in no time. This is a lot of work. It's not a quick replacement. You're gonna have to take a lot of stuff apart, but that's what we do here. So stay tuned. Bye. This is a GL look.
I don't know.
Can you check in the back? All right, you guys, we have this beautiful GLE 53 here. This car came in for a few things. For now, we're just gonna do the service, which we did. Oil change, filters done, topped off fluids, everything's good to go. We have a crack on the windshield, which we're going to place an order for, but obviously it's not here right now, so it's a special order. But for now, oil's good. Customer's gonna take the car and bring it right back. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. Eat good food. And yeah, that's it.